forward to our next conversation. Well, with that, we're coming down to the final few minutes of trade, and let's recap what for the bulls would be a disappointing day, because we came within kissing distance of the all-time high, barely 6 points off it, and then it was a near one-way slide on the way down. I say near one-way because there was some attempt at a recovery, which is why the Nifty looks like it'll probably go home at around the 18,750 handle. That's still a 74-point cut. The culprits, well, absolutely the bank index. The Nifty Bank is ending with a cut of about 0.7%. Kotak, Axis, ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank. You've got cuts between 1% to 2% on most of these names. The one bank that actually bucked the trend was HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, HDFC, and actually even HDFC Life. This trio from the HDFC stable, they maintained their stance on the green side of the screen. HDFC Life particularly impressive today with the further gains coming in. But again, if I talk about the losing side, Reliance added some more pressure on the way down. There were stocks like Levered that didn't quite add up. Some profit taking on a Hero Moto, on Eicher Motors when we're talking about the automotive space, even Bajaj Auto. So two-wheelers coming under pressure. IT has been trying to fight back. Interesting show of strength in the last 1 hour from IT, TCS, and a couple of other names, Tech Mahindra, etc., on the upside. But it really wasn't enough for the bulls. So as we see things, the Nifty finally going home with a 70-point cut. On the mid-cap side of the market, not sure if Mangalam is with us. The mid-cap index managed a very little, just a 20-point gain. But beyond the index level, if you look at individual counters, and of course, today's theme was very, very clearly defense. Big moves coming in, whether you're looking at a Paras Defense, which was up about 7%, Cochin Shipyard, Mazgaon Dock, Astra Micro. These were the names where we found plenty of buyers. Nykaa was the other stock that stood out, MRPL. These were some of the names on the upside of the screen. A decent show by some of the PSU banks today, by the way. Central Bank of India, Bank of Baroda. These were stocks on the upside, but otherwise for the large cap screen, it was a day of disappointment, no taking away from that. Well, the bell has gone off and we are looking at a final count on the Nifty, a 70-point cut. The Bank Nifty lower by about 300 points, the mid-cap index absolutely flat. With that, we come to the end of this edition of Closing Bell. Thank you very much for being with us, but don't go anywhere because lots more is coming up. A very special conversation ahead of Prime Minister Modi's US visit coming up on the other side on our special offering, PM Modi in America.